again. If you're new in the house, this is the Beyonce Babies TV. And for all my return subscribers, I love you all for your massive love and support. May the God Almighty bless you all for always showing me that love, for supporting my channel up to this level. I love you all. May God bless you all for always tuning on your notification bell and supporting my channel. I love you once more again. So guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to, before I get started, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit those notification bell whenever I upload a new video. So guys, you'll be the first person to receive the notification. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to prepare your fried potatoes, mushroom, jollof rice. I know the ingredients, how the mixture is going to, is like a little bit funny, but guys, this is going to be amazing. So guys, stay tuned with me and watch it. How I'll be showing you how to prepare this lovely magical jollof rice, potatoes and mushroom. It's magical, as I earlier said, potatoes, mushroom, egg, jollof rice. That is what I'll be showing you guys. Let's get started. So first I'm going to be showing what I'll be using for this my magical jollof rice. What is that I'll be using? That is most is my rice. You can use any rice of your choice. This is basmati rice. That's what I'll be using. First, what I have to do is I have to parboil this basmati rice for about 10 minutes to remove the starchy water, so that it should not get stick when I'm about to fry the rice. What I'll be using is my chopped tomato already. You can see, you can use any tomato of your choice, but this is what I'll be using, and that is my already prepared ginger garlic. And the next thing I'll be using as well, I'll be using my potatoes. I already prepared it already. That is my potatoes already prepared, and that is my meat that I'll be using. That is a casla meat. It's like a ring flash cow meat. You can use any meat of your choice, but it's not necessary. If you're somebody you're vegetarian, you don't necessarily need meat. You can just put vegetable. And what next I'll be using is this my magical egg. You're gonna see how I'm going to be doing it, how to make this lovely jollof rice with egg. So I'll be using my egg, and that is my mushroom, my parsley, my spring onion, and that is my onion and my carrot. And I'm going to be using I'll be using this sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice, or you can use olive oil, any oil of your choice that you want. So guys, let's move straight away to the video. So guys, I've finished preparing my recipe on what I'll be using on the rice, jollof rice with egg. After you see, my meat is prepared already, my carrot and my onion and my mushroom, and that is my rice already. I washed my rice already, I parboiled my rice already. See how it looks now, and I've kept it clean already. So wash as I get started to prepare the meal. This is where the cooking begins. How to put in my oil, vegetable oil. And I have to put the second step is what I have to put is my onion and my spring onion together. I fry it a bit, about, let me say, 1 to 2 minutes. Fry a bit. So the third step is I have to put my potatoes. I chop potatoes. I make it I make it in very smaller pieces. I have to do is I have to put my vegetable Maggie, or I have to put a teaspoon of it. And my salt vegetable, fritters out, is like vegetable mixed with salt, so, and it's mixed with this pasties and the other spices. I'll just sprinkle a bit of it on it. I have to stir it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now I put in my chopped meat. The next step is I will put in my chopped tomato, not much. 2 spoons is okay. 2 eating spoons is okay. Fry it together, fry it together. The next step is I have to put in my mushroom. So guys, I've put my potatoes, my meat together, my mushroom. I have to like fry it for about 5-6 minutes. Then now the last thing I'll be putting is I'll be putting in my carrots. Put in my carrots. And then what I will put in is ginger and garlic, 2 eating spoons of my ginger and garlic. I have to put in my paste. Guys, this is the frying part of my potatoes, my meat, and my vegetables. So what I have to do is I have to put water in it. That is about 2 glasses of water. First step I'm done, so wash for the second part. Wash me as I go for the second step. The second step is I have to, all my vegetables that are fried, I have to not put it in my rice cooker. So I've put my vegetable that I fried already in my rice boiler. The next step I'll be doing is I have to put in my rice in the rice boiler. And my rice boiler is made with, you can make your normal white rice, you can make your, you can slow cook your rice, you can make your that is stew. So this is where I'll be using, I'll be doing some, this is where I'll be doing my fried rice. So I'll be putting in my rice. That is my rice. I've put in my rice cooker. As you can see. So now I'll be putting in my egg. Guys, I've put in all my eggs. As you can see, that is the end, about almost to an end. So I'm going to leave my rice to get parboiled for about the 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'll get back to you and show you guys the end result of how my food looks like. And I hope you... That's the final result of my egg potatoes jollof rice. See how yummy it is? Guys, that is the end result of my cooking. And if you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. Whenever I post a new video, you're going to be the first person to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and God bless you for watching. And please don't forget to write at the comment section what you think about the video. It's very important for me, so that if I'm to correct my mistake, I will do that immediately. I love you all. God bless you. Bye. So guys, if you want to see me here, I'm going to do this magical rice, jollof rice. Please stay tuned and watch with me together. I'm going to do this cooking today.